So in this video we are going to cover how do you connect GenVR with Hermes Agent. Right? So Hermes Agent is basically a competitor to OpenClaw that has been released by News Research, and it's an agent that as soon as you keep on using it, it keeps on creating new and new skills. It has a very good memory, right, and it can use your computer to a very good accuracy. So first, all you need to do is you need to have a Hermes agent working for you. If you don't have a Hermes agent, you can basically deploy it on any software. Like there are multiple different softwares, multiple different hosting services like DigitalOcean or Hostinger or QAMP, or you can deploy it on your desktop also. You can deploy it on your cloud machine or wherever you want, right? In this example, we are going to deploy it on a service called railway.com. Okay. So here is some of these things are available where you can deploy it on railway, right? And then you can just click on this, deploy on railway. So here, let me just search. This one. Okay, so this is a one-click deploy, and you can just click on deploy. You need to have a railway subscription for this. Okay, so it is asking me for two different values, volume and admin password and admin username. So here I'll just do temp and okay. So now it has started deploying the Hermes agent. So now the deployment is successful. I'll just quickly go to this, and this is basically the link where I can use my Hermes agent. Okay, so whatever username and password we gave, I'll just type in here, and now the Hermes agent is ready to use. Now I have to set up this Hermes agent, right? For this I just need to let's say if I have a open router or any kind of Google AI service or anything like that, right, I can just say, and I just need to give my API key and this thing, and among these, one of these I have to select. Let's say I select WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just quickly write in my keys, and then I will show you how do you run this with GenVR. So now I've given my open router key, and this is the model that I would be using in this example. Okay, so now I just need to do save and start. So this is the Hermes agent running, right? Now we need to add, so you can see a lot of skills available in this Hermes agent, right? It can connect you to Airtable, AskaYart, and a lot of different services, a lot of email services, a lot of MCP servers. It can directly talk to your GitHub. It can do anything for you. Like you can even order groceries from this Hermes agent, right? So now we will integrate this with GenVR basically. So to integrate this with GenVR, all I need to go is to go to this GenVR skills. So now I will just copy this command. Okay, so now the GenVR skill is added. I will quickly verify that the skill has been added. I'll just go to the skills tab and I will just search GenVR here. So GenVR skills has been added to this. Okay, so now let's go back to this. So after adding this skills package, I just need to add my API key and the UID, right? So once you log in into this platform, this is the user ID and this is the API key that you need, right? So I'll just quickly sign into my API account. I'll just copy this. So it is GenVR underscore UID. Okay, now I will copy my API key. Here I will be adding my API key. Okay. So I successfully added my user ID and the API key. Right. Now to just do anything with GenVR API, what you need to do is you just need to write GenVR. Let's say I want to make an image, right? So I will say make an image of a man running on a street. So it basically used ByteDance Seedream 5 model and it created this particular image, right? This image is also going to be available on my request dashboard in the API, right? So as you can see, Seedream 5 was just used to create the image of a man running on a busy street.